Because I'm struggling with showcasing this thing. I think the reason is because okay, now it's better. I think the reason was that I would exit one and open the other one. Yeah, this signal is not looking good. Because what I'm expecting here is buys. So if you have money in your account, buying can fix it's blank. Ish. Why is it blank? Let me see. Please, is it still blank? It should be showing now. Guys, please tell me if please tell me if it is still blank on your side. I'm still waiting. Can someone text in the group and tell me if it is blank or not? Okay. If you guys can see, so I just wrote the signal there. I'm expecting buy on gold. This is the perfect entry. I don't expect us to go into minus. In unfortunately today I have to do half screen. So it basically means I don't know if you guys can see full screen on your side, but then on my side I'm having two screen. The side where I'm analyzing and the side where I'm streaming. So enter those buys and let the market take over. This is where we are. It's a perfect position to enter the buys. I'm still on minus 400. I have a big account, so it's going between the maximum negative that I went towards 900 and I think 940. But then now I'm optimistic that will go up. So let's wait and see. Yes, we are doing good. I can see. Quick question. There's someone with a question. When do you start analyzing gold? Which time frame do you start looking at and why? Because here I can see. So I analyze gold. If you check, okay, it means that you're not in my group. The 150 group chat, there's a thing that I call the trading program. So what I share there is how I trade and how they should trade. So um, I normally tell them that I look at gold from 5 minutes, enter with one. Why is because I'm not a date. I don't think I'm a date. Okay, if when we say someone is a day trader, we're talking about someone who trade within a day, then maybe I'm a day trader. But then I think I'm more of scalping because my trades are like 1 hour maximum. I think maximum is 1 hour. Then the minimum time could be 30 minutes. So that's how my trades run. That's why you see 1 minute here. It's because sorry, I have to enter again. I have to enter again as the market moves. So that's why I trade with 1 minute. Those that know, they know that I visit 135. So those are my time frames. I just want the market to push at least a bit higher than that higher high. But if we push a bit higher than this, then I'll relax. But then this is a danger zone for me. This is a danger zone for me. So it might take me out if it pushes a bit. But then the signal it's a buy. If the signal changes, I will let you guys know. Remember, there's nothing wrong with changing the signal. If it pushes from this point, if it pushes to the downside and I get a confirmation, then we sell. The other thing that traders fail to do is to accept mistakes and change their mind um, because they were wrong. So they just take a loss and relax. No, you can still recover the loss. Let me see. I don't have TP. I've been saying this thing since you have never seen me post TP in the group chat. It's because I always say this thing, I'm not a professional trader. I'm not well equipped to know where the market will push until I can predict. Sometimes I'm right, but then I will never mislead people to wait for a TP that I'm not even sure that it's going to be reached. So a TP is when you're happy. The rest of the things, I'm so sorry. I cannot assist. Even stop loss, I cannot tell you that your stop loss should be here. It's because it can still come, hit your stop loss, and go up. So the person looking for TP, you must go live teaching those beginners. But I'm not ready to post any content teaching people, teaching beginners. I'm still learning how to trade. So and I don't have that exposure of 100K followers or 50. So I'm still trying to grow first. So I'll never go live and teach people. I'm still creating a name for myself. So that's why I'm focusing more on trading and sorry, let me see. That's why I'm focusing more on trading than anything. The rest of the things will come after. Mm. So straightforward and real, bro. Nah, but then I'll probably teach them sometime, but then not now. I still wanna grow first, not now. I don't think I'm ready at this point. This guy killed Nasdaq, yo. So I just want the market to push up a little bit. I said my target is this. If we push higher than this, then I can relax and look for more entries. But then even now, I'm confident in the signal. But then we had an impulsive movement at half-1. Let me show you the impulsive movement that we had. This was an impulsive movement at half-1, and it confirmed the buys. Hopefully, they will be able to push up because My danger zone is this point here. But then even if we blow, or even if I blow because I'm already in too much, I sleep until 8. Those in the 150 group chat, they know. Um, I get my opportunities until 8 o'clock. So now I'm on minus 600. That's why I'm saying my danger zone is here. So if the market is going to consolidate to my downside, then it's going to threaten my account. But I'm still kind of confident that it won't do us any wrong. We must go up. I'm reading the comments here. No, you can still enter. We just entered. That's what I'm saying. I'm still on minus 500 as we speak. So none of my trades are into profit. So you can still enter. You're still at an entry point. So guys, I can take questions. I can open a larger scale of this, but then now I want to focus on the trade. So yeah, I'm on minus 400. The highest that I've been to is 940, and my account has 1,000 rands. So it means that I almost blew my account with 60 rands. So 60 rands saved me. This made me my account this what you see here. So it means that if the market goes below this candle here, let me try and do this. If the market goes below this candle, then I'm out. But then I'm still gonna deposit again and trade. So here, let's make money. I think we are done threatening my account. Those who entered, please do not exit until 8 o'clock. Most likely. If not 8, then 6 o'clock. I'll show you that your 200 here, you can turn into 2,000. Your 400, you can turn it into, I don't know, 3,000. You'll see. Market just opened. The Chinese just introduced an AI called, can I say it? I forgot. It has one brand, one R or R1, the deep seeker, something like that. It's affecting the market. The US market dropped by 1 trillion yesterday alone, making it the worst drop of the year already. So I'm on minus 200. I'm so happy because I was on minus 900. So the market must just push a little bit, push a little bit. It must just push. Still floating around minus 300 and 200. So normally what I would do before is that I would enter and sleep now. Then I would wake up at 6 and check. I think there's one of my videos there on the internet where I deposited, I think 500, then took a trade around 2, 3, and I slept. When I woke up, I woke up with 4.3. Yeah, I woke up with 4.3. So that's what I'm saying. You guys must enter buys now. And when you enter these buys, do not close them, even if you see 800. But then I'm gonna be awake until 8 o'clock. So I'll sleep at 8. Yeah. And my next session of trading is gonna be at 1 o'clock. So guys, the 150 special is ending. We're coming back to the 500. I'm not gonna do those special that I was doing last year. The one of 300, the first week special. I'm not gonna do those things this year. The next special of trading will be on my birthday, which is June. So for now until June, VIP will be 500, VVIP will be 900. depending if my form of trading grows throughout the year, I might increase my prices. But then for now, let's focus on what I'm providing you guys with. Yes, you see, this is beautiful. Um, so what I'm saying is that from February until June, I will be VIP. I'll be charging for 500, and for VVIP, I'll be charging 900. So the difference between VVIP and VIP is that VIP, normally in VIP, you're gonna trade now, and I'm gonna give them one signal or between one and two, but then normally I'm gonna give one profitable signal and leave them alone. So if you have your 200, you'd make your 600 per day, or around 3 4, depending on how you would have entered. Then for VVIP, I can guarantee it's gonna be 3 plus. So normally in the morning, on a good morning, I have two signals. So it means that now we might go up, then it might come down a bit. When it comes down, we go out. And when it goes up again, I give a signal. Then later during the day, around 1 2 3, I give another signal. So that's the difference. How do I find out those kind of news? You must just follow the relevant news. Twitter, yeah, because I think Twitter is like, it's like SABC, or it's like a news outlet. They announce like, hey, the child, what this is what's happening. But then also on Instagram, you must follow those guys that trade. There are guys that trade, and there are guys that don't just trade. They tell us what's happening. They love analyzing the market, just like NFP. They love saying the previous NFP was 1 2 3, and now we are looking. Yeah, those are the guys that I follow. One of them is let me search his thing, because it's I don't know if you know this guy. Rick, his name is Ricky. I think Rodriguez, something like that. Oh, Ricky. You must just search Ricky. The surname is hard because it's something like Gutierrez. But then he has 304,000 followers. So he's 304. Yeah. You'll see he posted this. Let me take the link, and yeah, let me take the link of this video. So he's one of the guys that love analyzing. Even when Trump gets in office, he love explaining too much. Like, this means for the market. Hey, wara. So I just posted the guy's link on in the group. So if you wanna follow those news, this is one of the guys that you can follow on Instagram. Mpilo. So I think most of us now, those who entered, people like Abu Bongumusa, Sisekelo, you're on profit because you entered uh, when you were low. You entered low while I was on negative personally. So yeah, let's see. Guys, do not worry about the pullbacks. Gold is not like yesterday. The gold goes up and down. That's why if you enter while it's up and you take the up direction, you're likely to go out because it's gonna kill you. It's gonna come back. That's why we are having these things here. I'm used to these things, and I'll show you. That's still gonna happen. These things, when they happen, they threaten even your knowledge. You see this one, two, even these ones. When they go down, you think that, hey, I'm gonna blow. He's changing direction, and it's not. Believe believe in yourself and your analysis. Let me just show you here. The, before the market closed, because I was observing this. Check this. The market changed from this. It changed direction here. These things, you see, 1 2 3, we think that it's not gonna go up, and we took the buys. These things, they would make you doubt yourself, and it still goes up. Check how up it goes. It still comes down. So that's why I'm even taking the upside now. So we shouldn't worry about these things. This we will get. Let me show you what we'll get. Guys, I'm sharing with my mouse. I'm sharing a screen here with my YouTube, and normally I don't even share a screen. I just um, put this trading view and leave the internet. But then today it's showing blank. So we'll get here, and how we get here, it doesn't matter if we have to go down, but then we'll end up there. So don't worry when we have. That's how gold moves. That's how the market moves. These things of up and down, up and down, up and down, they should not make you worry. We are confident that these are the buys. So if you see it coming like this, maybe let's say you're on profit of 200 and you are now on 90 rands, you don't know what's happening. You think you should have took the 200, then it doesn't matter. Already, we've been live for 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes. 16 is the highest number that I've seen so far. You won't even believe because more than 50 people said they will be here, but then it doesn't matter. They can still catch up. Um, oh, it's more than 60, by the way. You see these things, they might threaten my account like, hey, it's gonna go down. Normally, you should even leave this thing and focus, sleep. The problem is that you would want to add as the market goes up, not now, but then you would want to add. So from minus 940, I'm on minus 900 now. No, oh, I said 900. I'm on minus 100. It's 78 now. It's all went to 150. But then that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, that knowing the lot size and your balance, yeah, kind of helps you. You see, these things, they must not threaten me. It can still come back to this point. Unless, remember, it can still change direction, but then you must just believe yourself. It can still come back here. And those that entered somewhere here go into negative. Somewhere here, they can still go into negative. The problem starts when you run away. It comes here, you run away, it goes up, you want to enter. I will suffer there. I can definitely assure you that you will suffer. So let me see if I have any questions. Am I late to enter? No. Seems like we all sorted. I gave the signal in the 150 group chat. They have how many days? Let me see. I can't count today because already we are trading. If they're sleeping, they have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 12 o'clock. I'm removing everyone. We're preparing for November. So they have basically they have 3 days. I'm not gonna count today. But it has been a nice ride. We had our own ups and downs. Yeah. But then we pushed. Personally, I won't say that I'm happy, but then it was part and parcel. Sorry, it was part and parcel of what I'm doing now. Because I think now I'm much better than ever in my trading life. I don't think I've ever reached this level of trading. I keep on improving, improving, improving. And this is the best level that I've ever got to. I just need to be patient, consistent, and responsible. So let's go. Let's see. 3 o'clock. You see, in an hour, it's gonna push us to the upside. An hour. Three. Why? Is because 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, the market, the Asian market, which contributes to gold, it opens at 3. So that's why I'm saying at 3. Those who haven't entered now, or those who just entered and they're not happy with the profit, just relax, relax, relax. Um, okay, I was reading a comment. So now everyone should be on profit. Everyone should, okay, it just went down a bit. But then, yeah. So 3 o'clock in the next 58 minutes, it's going to push us up or push us down. When the Asian market opens, I'll be here witnessing. I won't sleep until 8 o'clock. And then for now, we're good. I think we're good. I'm on minus 50 rands with a 1,000 rand account. So I will tell you guys when I add. I don't know how long this live should be, but then I normally keep it an hour. I see we still have 27 minutes to go. So I'll try and keep it as long as I can. But when I'm happy, I'll you guys have the signal. We'll just come back with screenshots that, oh, this is what we are studying, or this is what we did today. Oh, by the way, this is my second live of the year. And there's a guy who texted me. Let me check his name. He's the reason that we are live today. How many position maximum on 200? So looking at the volatility now, those who have 200, oh, someone saying it's on profit, 400 profit. So looking at the volatility, what I'm observing now, ne, is that you can add 0.02, maybe two of them. So 0.02, yeah, or maybe 0.03, two of them. Someone with 200 rands. So someone with 400, please put 0.03, three of them. That's 0.6. Yeah, I can put them now while it's going back. So I'm saying that there's a guy, man, who texted me. Oh, Brandon. There's a guy called Brandon. Yeah, he's the reason. He texted me on yesterday. No, on Sunday. He said I must go live. He texted me yesterday again and he said I must go live. So you must thank him. We are live on YouTube. So this is my best trading time, and this is what I think works for me much better. And that's why I've convened all of you guys here. You see that drop. So all these drops, they must not make you shake. They must remember, guys. We were here, and my account was on minus 700. This made my account to be on minus 940. This made my account to be on minus 600. This made my account to be on minus 400, and yeah, between 2 and 3. So when you see this thing from this point, you shouldn't be, yeah. I will tell you if it's not promising. But so far we're doing our best, like we're trying everything to make this signal count. And remember, do not be shy to take those losses or change your mind. If you think it's gonna sell, we're not there at your comfort zone. You can close my buys and sell. And it's not even a competition of who got it right. So I'm expecting this to go up the whole day. It might go down a bit, which we can take if it's good, but then I'm expecting it to buy the whole day. And why? One of the reasons is that I'm saying that it's because of the thing. Let me try and get the picture of what's happening in the world market. Such tricky. Someone said that on 400. Oh, the AI that China came with is DeepSeek. Let me actually search this thing on my. Let me search it. I'm gonna send it to the group chat. Why I think the market must go up, but then remember we still need to analyze to know where the market must go. But then so far, this is what I think can push the market to go up. Oh, so those who didn't enter can enter now. You can add, or those who wanted to add, those the ones that were asking about, you can add now. You see that we went down a little bit, so that you do not be on a big negative. I will show you when it gets here that why I said you must enter. It's gonna be here somehow, somewhere, somehow. Let me do this. Um, so you see the reason I said you guys must enter here is because when we buy, we enter low. Low means when it pushes down, when it regains strength. Then when we sell, we buy high. Every time when it goes a little bit up, when we say it's gonna go down, we sell, we add more. Yeah. So you'll see soon it will be here, and you will see that it was perfect for you to enter here. Yeah, a little retest has me on minus 79 now. And you're the one that was saying you're on a 400 profit, and now you're back to your 400 profit. You see, it can't do no harm. I just added one. You see, that's good. That's good, Nande. That's how we enter. So we always take advantage when we know where the market is going, and when it tries to threaten our account, we add more. Then when it recovers, it gives us more. It gives us double of the amount that we had. Yeah, there's Brendan. Brendan is the guy that just said, "I we appreciate you, man." Everyone in this live, I think, should thank him. Even though you guys know that I go live. Brendan texted on Sunday. Texted yesterday before I sent that poll. He said that I should go live. Then that's why we are here, and that's why you got a signal. Remember, I said I'm not gonna give the free signal group any signal for January. So my target here is for us to reach 3 o'clock and shoot up, and I'll be happy if we pass this level here. That's the level that I want. I just want to see the market above it. If it goes above, then we killed it. We killed it. So the one thing that the markets need now is patience. Like it's literally you waiting. There's a guy who's also an admin in my group. He knows I trade with him. I live with him here. He knows how I would trade less than 3 times in a day and be profitable and say that I know there are opportunities, but I'm more focused on accuracy. I just need profit. Whether there are 1,000 opportunities in a day, I just need one. to make my day and relax. So that's what I would advise from you guys. When you see one opportunity enter, go all in, make money. Don't say you wanna go all in the same day and make 1 million or 100,000 or 10,000. Nah, you will suffer. You will suffer. I forgot that I muted myself, but then I wanted to do this to show you the full structure. So this is what we had. I don't know. Is it moving? Okay. Yeah. This is what we had over the day. Um, these are the cells that we took yesterday. If you check, we took the cells in the VIP in the 150 group from here until here, and we also took here. We sold again. Then that 1.3 that I made, I think I took it somewhere here and closed here. Then this cell, I don't trade around this time. You see, this is another opportunity, and it's a beautiful one. But then it's not my trading time. So the market around 7 was here. I was monitoring. My interest was to look at the momentum. Is it gonna go up? It broke the line. What I waited was for this retest, which I expected that it should come to this line because it crossed here. But then this is also a key level. You see what I'm clicking here? It's a key level that forces the market this side to stop. So if this key level is strong, this won't go down. It will push up. Remember, because why? We are pushing up. So my point of interest is here. I just need the market to at least, let me just show you. Let me just put it like this so that I can be able to reason or make it make sense. So my point of interest is just I just want the market to push above this block that I just drew because it's also a key level. Then if we go above this, then I know that my entries, I think one is here and the other one is down here. and this is where I was holding negative, and I'm still holding, I think, minus 100 or 50 when it's here, or minus 200. But then if it pushes up above this, then I'm on profit. Then I know that indeed the market throughout the day, it's gonna be a buy. You will see this thing. I will show you at 12 because we are all here. I'll show you at 12. This thing is gonna be something like this, like a huge, the same way that I showed you guys the other day. Yeah, let me just do this. You see this? This is gonna be this big. But then remember, we are not here to be greedy. We are all here with the point and interest of making money. The thing of saying it's gonna get here, you see. Let me see, what time is it? It's this thing was gonna be somewhere here. I will show you. Let me take a screenshot. But then, um, that's what I'm saying for now. Let me take a screenshot. But then we just, the perfect thing is execution, knowing where to enter. So people like Abunande, the people that added, your profit should be showing now. The outlook should push us probably somewhere here. Yeah. Guys, please do not lose your accounts. There might be impulsive movement coming down. I mean, the thing that's gonna make me blow it's if it crosses to this red line. So it's not a risk, it's not a stop loss, it's not a risk management. It's just for me to know that I'm losing my account if it comes here. That's how I don't have take profit. So normally people's key points are take profit. You see this thing, I drew it because of this key point here. That it can be someone's take profit. If you want to take profit, then 2747 can be your take profit. But I hate doing that because I don't know the market very well. I'm not a professional. So I can't say the market is gonna go jigger here and do 1, 2, 3. So what I use that I enter and I exit when I'm happy. So yeah, it's an hour now. I think I've explained everything. Let me see if it's really an hour. But then I know we've been up for quite some time. Yeah, we have 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it until the 10 minutes thing. Which time frame should I use? You can use in guys. This is what I want to also emphasize. Time using even and if someone enters now with 4 hour, it doesn't change the position. It doesn't change anything. So time frame is very important when you analyze. But then if you guys are taking a signal, it doesn't matter you're on 15, doesn't matter you're on 1. When you say enter, you enter. It's the same level. Cruising, my brother. Just taking note. It's tracking now, but then it's not something we're used to. Yeah, I've logged 250. It can play, but as you say, yeah. So I'm also not gonna like sleep like a dead man. I'm gonna sleep properly. Now I'm gonna take naps and hour naps because if it goes down and take me out, I have to redeposit and next look at the next direction before 8. So if it hits 8 without confirming, then it means that uh probably today it's gonna be a loss or whatsoever. But then so far, I don't think there's any potential of taking a loss here. So it might come down already. This point is becoming strong, but we know where we are going. because it touched this level. Here we go. So I said we have 10 minutes. I'm gonna close the live, leave the 1 hour video. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Leave the 1 hour video, then we'll speak in the group chat. Those who wanna text private will text. Those who wanna send profit will send. But then yeah, I will speak. If you added too much and you see that it's threatening your account, you can try and run away. But then I'm settling there. So you see, the thing that I was saying when I told those guys to enter here is because if you enter when it's up like this movement will take you out this here. So when you enter here, when it comes down to this point, you're still on profit, or you're on a profit of 10 rands, or you're starting to be a negative now. This movement doesn't affect you. It just take the big profit that you have. If you're on 600, you're probably on 150 now. But then if you enter here, this I won't survive. This is already minus 300. So we'll just see. We'll just see. I took a screenshot. We'll see the outcomes tomorrow. Where did I do it? At 8. But now I'm gonna be awake. I'm not sleeping now. If you take my account, I have to look for an opportunity before 8 o'clock. Either revenge, get the money back, try and make profit. Or yeah, see. So do not panic. I told you guys that you must not panic. Gold, this is how gold moves, up and down, up and down. You must take it like a seesaw. 2 minutes you're up, 2 minutes you're down. You must just know the direction. Because I'm gonna check time now. I feel like I'm tired of streaming now. You're on 56. So 4 more minutes, then yeah. Oh, I didn't see this. Later, you must text me. I was not opening the chat. So the 250, I've taken my 250, guys. Okay, nice. So you see that, can I use the 250 package? Later, with the 200 and 250 package, it's not for trading. It's for mentoring in terms of getting someone. Guys, do you see how it's moving now? Look at this. So you get scared here, somewhere here, be like, hey, so perfect entry, it's everything. Knowing the you can know the direction, but where you enter matters. So the table, I was still speaking to you. What is that thing? The 250 is for 200. Let me start with the 200. 200 it's for helping someone, normally even on weekdays, to set up the account, mm, link account, open the account, like help you open an account which with a broker, link it, help you understand the deposit, how the interface work. Yeah, that's the 200 for. The 250 it's helping you understand MetaTrader. So it's for beginners. That's why it's a beginner package. Um, help you understand MetaTrader, how to use the MetaTrader, how to buy, sell, how to put only gold or USDT, how to close your profit. That's the 250. Then those are beginner package. It's because I made them like that into pieces because people come with the knowledge. Some come with the account, but then they don't know how to use the MetaTrader 5 app. So that's how I charge them. The 1.3, it's a mentorship. Normally, when you even buy it, I I I give you a discount depending. Normally, I give people that want to buy mentorship with 1.3 and signals with 500. I normally put them in the VIP for free. So yeah, but then in overall 1.3, it's also not trading with me, but then it's giving you the strategy. So if you wanna trade with me, you either gonna go with the 500 VIP or 900 VIP. That's the options that you have. Can I join the market now, Sir Ash? Yeah, you can. You can, but then enter carefully. You can tell me how much you have there, then I'll help you decide. Guys, I told you that 3 o'clock. In the next 30 minutes, we're gonna pass this bar and our future will be better than before. Do you see that thing? Do you see this movement? Guys, if you were listening carefully, everything that I've told you happened about entering low, not entering there, and not panicking when the market comes here, etc. etc. Look at now. Look at this thing. Look at this. Crazy. So that's what I mean. How much will it cost me to get 1 hour mentorship? Ish, you can discuss with me. So Brandon, you can text me and say that what you're looking for personally is a 1 hour mentorship. Because I can teach. My 1.3 mentorship is a monthly thing, but I only teach you everything in one day. Just that the rest of the 30 days out of 31, because I'm going to take one day to teach you. You are practicing, you are sending me, you are predicting, practicing, sending me, practicing, sending me. So one day it will depend on what you want to focus on, but then I don't think I will teach you everything in 1 hour. So just contact me, tell me what you want to learn. If you want to focus more on entries, tell me. If you want to focus more on these key structures that you see here, tell me. Yeah, then we can work on something. And you guys are still here. As we were around, I think 17 or 19 is the highest. Now we are 7. But then, guys, if you check, we had an impulsive movement to the downside. So this is where the market takes your money. If you entered somewhere here, you were fighting to enter here, even though I said do not enter. See, the market takes you out and it goes back to the direction, then you cry and say Forex is a scam or my signals are bad. So people like Nandi, because you added, but then at least you took your 250, you made money. But then I can tell you that now you would be moving to probably 600 with that 400 profit, because you can see that you are about to break that key point that I wanted us to break. So yeah, that's my key point. I can keep the live running for the next 30 minutes because I want to show you guys what happens at 3 when the Asian market opens. Look at that. Look at that key point. We are breaking the key point. Beautifully so. You will see a little bit, a little push to the upside, then we break over. Oh, you entered again. I hate doing that, man. I don't recommend that. Normally, if my people in my group enters like that, I'm gonna shout at you. Look at that. Perfect. So I can confirm that we'll be buying the whole day. I'm probably on profit now. Yes, I'm on profit of 200 from minus 940. You can see that I'm also relieved. So we are good. I'm gonna look for more points to enter, more points to add more, because I already have 0.1 and I have 0.05. I'm moving on a profit of 100 or less than 100 and less than 200 between those intervals. But then even if it goes down a bit, we have pushed to the upside. So let's go. Let's see. Let's see what it has for us. One thing, do not panic. So guys, I think you guys are back. Yeah, those want to consult, guys. Um, we are approaching February. My signals are there. Mentorship is there. 17. Yeah, you guys now are coming back. I think people are waking up now. Unfortunately, guys, we're closing this thing. I've been up and streaming for more than an hour. The signal is there on the chatbot, but then unfortunately, I have to close. Guys, it was nice being with you, all of you here, and I hope you have learned a one or two, and I can summarize what I think I've taught you is where to enter, key points, those take profits that I don't believe, psychology, not panicking, believing in your direction. So I've taught you a lot of things if I can reflect on them. But then yeah, it was risky, but I didn't close. Stop loss hit. It bothers me when you actually have the direction. Since I'm not the person, why don't you like re-entering as a scalper? So I don't scalp like that. My scalping, like I said, it's 1 hour to 30 minutes. The people that love re-entering are the ones that scalp for 5 minutes, 15. They go back again. They scalp. Yeah, that's more like gambling. Yeah, guys, I see you still wanna chat, but then we'll talk, guys. So I will see when it's gonna be my next live stream. But then I think already this week I've given you guys two, and I might be done. So two live stream, two free signals. Then we'll see the rest. We'll see them next week. So I'll try and live stream next week.
one or two times, then it's going to be free signals for people in the free group. But then from next week, I expect people to join my VIP and VVIP. We are back. It's February. Oh, the views keep on going up. People that just joined, there is the signal. It's pinned in the chat. Click your chat box. You will see the signal. You can join now. You can still enter, but enter carefully because we were going down here. We were touching key points. Let me do this. These are the points we were touching. So just in case you enter here and it comes here, you will suffer. You will suffer and exit my group for sure. Arrest man. I can't sleep, man. But then I just appreciate that people were listening, people were asking questions, yeah, and all of that. Guys, you can see that we're pushing. We are pushing to the upside. There's no way you can say this is a sell unless there is news. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, Forex is just man. This is such a beautiful thing. My profit is hey, my profit is looking crazy. We are moving. We are moving. La, 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 la. Can we enter? Yes, we can enter more positions, but I'm not entering now. So I still need the market to push a little bit up. Unfortunately, I cannot enter more. Not now. I'm still on profit of plus 500. So I need the market to at least push it to 1,000 so that when I enter aggressively. So 1 hour, we've been up 1 hour, 10 minutes. Let's see. I'm on three something. We're all on profit. Let me take a screenshot. Forex is so nice, man. I don't know. I will tell people in the 150 group chat when I add. But then yeah, I'm gonna add soon, but not now. I'm probably gonna wait for this to do this. Let me just do this first. Wait for the market to push a little bit here. Then wait for it to come back here. Then for this, so I'm expecting to add here. I'm expecting to add somewhere here, but then when the market comes back. So if you wanted to add more and make money probably today, this is what you can do. You can wait at least for the market. We just broke out. So it's that thing of always saying there's a breakout and a retest. So I'll wait for something like a retest somewhere here. Or it can be down like that somewhere here. But then I'm just anticipating that it will be somewhere here. And yeah, or it can even start be somewhere here and goes up. But then yeah, that's it. So those who feel like adding, no guys, I, I'm closing the live, guys. This is a buy. I told you we can't monitor, we can't babysit this trade like this forever. So you just need to either sleep on your side, set alarm maybe after an hour or two, um, or don't sleep so that you can add. Yeah, but then I'm done. Thanks to everyone that contributed to this live. Thanks to everyone that asked questions. Yeah, and yeah, for making things. You guys push me.